The 3-in-1 is a whole new concept in outdoor portable barbecue grills. We call it a 3-in-1. It has 3 cooking methods. You can do pizza on it, you can use a griddle plate on it, and you can barbecue on a standard grill. The burner is at 12,000 BTU, it's stainless steel, it's tubular and runs all around the base of the firebox, giving an even heat distribution. Able to use 2 forms of gas size bottles, and they are dead easy to clean.
Video Shopping Network, an Amazon affiliate. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description below. You'll be able to see current pricing, product reviews, and any special deals. Desktop users should see the Amazon quick link below the video. Mobile users will need to click the little down arrow below the video first.